Hi, my name's Bob Lindy. I'm an acupuncture and herbalist in St. Petersburg, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you about how to make your own natural colon cleanser. So there are many different things out there that we can do to combine it, but the supplies we want to use to make a safe and natural one is magnesium citrate and cilium husks. So we want to get those together along with some hot water. And once we gather those supplies together of the cilium husk, magnesium citrate, and hot water, we can take about a cup of hot water and add to it a half teaspoon of magnesium citrate and a half teaspoon of cilium husk. Stir those together, and I always recommend doing that at night. This is a safe and gentle way in order to move the bowels. It has many other benefits of helping with sleep, bone density, blood pressure, and blood sugar because of the magnesium citrate. So it has many, many benefits, and it's safe and effective. If after a few days of using this colon cleanse, you're not able to move your bowels effectively, you can increase your dosage as is on the bottle on the magnesium citrate. And then that should work. If for any reason it doesn't, you need to consult a medical professional, herbalist, or acupuncturist who can get the best combination of herbs and supplements in order to safely move and cleanse your bowels. So this is Bob Lindy in St. Petersburg, Florida, letting you know how to make a safe, natural colon cleanser.